I've ever been to. Breakfast Club, baby! Let's go! Let's go, peeps. Let's go. Boom! So you guys are probably wondering where the hell I'm going. I'm going to my first ever CrossFit competition, man. My local gym, today's Saturday, didn't have open gym because we have a few people from our gym competing. We have 2 teams and then 2 individuals, man. I was gonna do this competition, but I couldn't get the day off, and I figured, you know what, I'm not gonna try to like rush things or anything. I don't wanna have to do this and then, oh, I gotta go to work, so whatever, man. I'm just here to support the local peeps, man, watch them do their thing, and then it's also a good experience for me because I get to kind of see what the whole competition vibes like. Obviously I've seen it online and like on TV, but I've never actually been to a CrossFit competition, so this is gonna be awesome, man. I'm super excited just to go see like the atmosphere, check out little shops, and kind of just get a gauge for the community, man, other than like just being in my gym and then like meeting other CrossFit people. But this is gonna be sweet, man. I've been to the LA Fit Expo. That was awesome, so I feel like this is kind of gonna be a little similar but different. So this is gonna kind of be something like that, I hope. This is a very big gym, man. I think it's called Back to Back Sports Complex, so I'm super excited to get in there, super excited to meet some people and just kind of see how our people from our boxes do. So it's gonna be a good time, man. I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Breakfast Club CTG, we in this beat. I can, dude. Yeah. Go, man. Big old screen. Got the squad up in this. Oh, no, what?
He doesn't do it anymore.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah, Bill Brother.
Yeah, I've seen that. Are you serious? He owns CrossFit.
Really cool, yeah.
That's badass.
I see the top.
You guys probably recognize him.
Left on clock, 4 minutes left on the clock. Fortunately, it got a tap.
Able to move quickly through those dumbbells, getting that into that number 2 position, moving just past.
Yeah, big round of applause. That is going to be the end of the first workout here at the back-to-back.
Let's go. Dean Hills CrossFit, baby. guys just killed their first event, man. Squad, you did good. The second event's gonna be a lifting one, so it should be pretty fun. man, that's gonna do it for this CrossFit competition for me. It's like only 12:40, but I gotta go back to work later this afternoon, so I gotta head out, man. It was awesome seeing all those RX division events and stuff. That was really awesome. Just being here, seeing all these people doing the same thing. Saw the people from that charity event last week here. So that was cool, man. Just making new friends, man, making connections. And yeah, man, I kind of want to do one of these things one day, man. So we'll see. Later this year, I might be doing one. Sounds like a really fun thing to do. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for today, man. Hope you guys enjoyed coming along this day. I'm gonna go home, do my running, just because I'm a little excited after doing that, after watching this. But yeah, Breakfast Club CTG, we out this beat.